How are we now? Welcome to the channel. Something a little different today. Bought this little Bluetooth speaker system for my helmet, all the way from China. Bought it on eBay for £14.88. I will leave a link in the description, as all the best vloggers say. So I thought I'd do one of these unboxing and show you what it's all about. Looks not bad quality for the money, to be perfectly honest. You get the unit with it. It is sort of fully charged up. I think there's about 85% charge in it. Then there's a backing plate that fixes onto your helmet by a spring clip. The Bluetooth unit just basically clips onto the side of it. USB-C charger. And then we got a little bag of Velcro sticky pads, if you want to call them that. There's 4 for the speakers, so obviously if you change your crash helmet you don't want to have to go rooting around trying to find some spares. Couple for the microphone, and also a couple for the unit if the spring mounting clip doesn't work on your crash helmet. And then we've got the 2 speakers and the mouthpiece as well. Thought these were going to be separate, but unfortunately they're all joined together. I didn't really want to use the mouthpiece, but I'm going to have to fit it. This unit doesn't work rider to rider or rider to pillion. It's just basically there so that you can listen to music, or in my case use it on Google Maps on my Android phone. This is a generic type unit. There's no maker's name on it anywhere at all other than V10. I'd watched a couple of things on YouTube about these units and they'd all got quite a good little write-up, so I thought, well, I'll give it a try. I normally stick earbuds in my ears and then fight like hell trying to keep the earbuds in while I'm putting my crash helmet on. It does say it's compatible with Android and Apple, and it's Bluetooth 5.3. Right, so first things first, see if the clip will fit. Little fiddly because it is quite a good spring clip on it. But once it's on, and fairly simple job. There we go. And then the Bluetooth unit just basically clicks onto the side of that. Press the big button for about 2 or 3 seconds, it all starts flashing, and then you can see where it's flashing quickly. That's basically asking for the Bluetooth on your phone. This HJC helmet of mine has actually got indents in the side of the helmet to take the round speakers, which is amazing. Makes life nice and easy when we're fitting it. So basically took one of the Velcro sticky pads and stuck it inside the lid. Headphone speakers are different lengths, so just remember to put the short one closest to the Bluetooth unit, obviously. Most helmets nowadays come with a removable innards so that you can wash them. Numpty here forgot all about that bit, so struggled for about 10 minutes trying to get these speakers in and routed around. In the end I got it sussed, and it's made quite a nice tidy job, to be perfectly honest. But it would have only taken probably 2-3 minutes if I'd have taken the liner out of the helmet in the first place. Even the camera got bored and fell over. That's it, wires routed, all done, fitted. Quite a tidy job, even though I say so myself. Mouthpiece is in the front there. There's even a recess in the front of the helmet to take the microphone, which I'm amazed at. So now it was time to set up the unit itself. Had a read of the instructions, very unmanlike, but it was so easy, it was unbelievable. Right, where's my phone? Oh yeah, I'm using it to film. Buggy. Connecting the Bluetooth was simple, just basically put my Bluetooth on my phone, turn the unit on, and it connected straight away. So there we have it. Turn the button on for a couple of seconds. Light flashes quickly to say that it's trying to connect. Connect it on your phone on the Bluetooth. So now you've got it flashing regularly. And away to go. It is so easy, it's unreal. Sound quality is amazing. Obviously you can't hear it on here, but the quality of the sound is really, really good for a £14 odd piece of kit. Buttons on the side, volume down, volume up. I think you might struggle a little bit when you've got your glove on. And you've also got Google Assistant there as well if you need anything. It is extremely loud as well. So, all in all, I would probably give this at the moment about an 8 or a 9 out of 10. I'll try it out on the road and see how we get on. So I hope you enjoyed this one.
All I can say is thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next instalment.